channels, Marustech, Fostech, and Gemotech. So yesterday we got a question in our WhatsApp chat. Someone asked us, what is the best VPN application I can use? So as professionals, we have gathered all information, carried out several analyses, and recommend you guys APN Tunnel VPN. So we are going to be directing you how to set up this application in the coming minutes. So don't forget to subscribe by pressing the subscribe button right there. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friends. Don't forget to like the video. So according to our data and analysis, I'm going to be showing you the best servers, the best location, and best network you're going to be connecting in all countries for a fast, a stable, and a secure internet access. So don't forget to subscribe, like the tutorial, and share. Marustech, Gemotech, and Fostech. Open Google Play Store, and then in your Google Play Store, you're going to be downloading this application. So you're going to go and activate your search bar, and on your search bar, you're going to download APNA. Type APNA Tunnel, like I've done it. Lite, this one. So far, it is one of the best. Then search. Once you search, make sure you download this application, and then after downloading it, you're going to open this application. Installing, make sure you open. So keep in mind that our tutorial you have made is purposely for informational, educational, and demonstrational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, community guidelines, and in case you get any problem while commenting to this video, make sure you follow all community guidelines. Don't comment words that may lead to the breakage of that may be violating the community guidelines. Be respectful and let us continue. So press OK by pressing right there, and then join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. But for the purposes of demonstration, we're going to be, or for demonstration purposes, I'm going to check later. And then first and foremost, we're going to start up this tutorial by checking the updates. So this tutorial is going to be so clear that even if I've never set it up, or even if you have never set any VPN application, you're going to learn from this. We're not going to be using complicated science and tech words. We're going to be using a layman's language so that everyone can be setting. Tap where you see online, and then once you tap where you see online, you're going to come to our next step, second step, where we have the auto select server. Then in your auto select server, we are seeing these servers. There are two, maybe it hasn't updated yet. Update online, and then give it some few seconds to update, and then after it updating, it will be letting you know that it is updated successfully. But as we wait for it to update, let me first go right here where I'm pointing. I said we are not going to use complicated science words and tech words. Then you're going to start to scroll down and look for your country's server. Alternatively, if your country supports UDP, you're going to come and show you a server you're going to be connecting it to. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like our tutorial. Please, guys, like our tutorials so that it can reach more audience. Look for. We are going to search. Oh, you can also try to activate your search bar to save time, and then type in your DP, and then you are going to choose this one. This one. It will be giving you insane speeds. The cheetah speeds. Sorry. And then after, you're going to press the start button. But the servers, make sure you use this one, the second one. Or you can keep in the auto select server, but I recommend the second one. And then come and then press the start. But before starting, press enable the DNS to Google DNS so that it can be stable. And then after, press the start button. Give it some few seconds to connect. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. If it fails to connect, some devices may fail to recognize the Google DNS. You can connect without using a DNS if your device fails to recognize a Google DNS. Now, if it fails also to connect, you can try to change the server to auto select server. And then it has connected successfully. So, these are the tips if your application fails to connect. Let me first close this advert. Now, if your VPN application fails to connect, you're going to do this because it may fail to connect on some devices, but the problem may not be your device. And you're going to try to clear the app data. How do you clear the app data? You're going to go to your home screen, then open the longer click the APN application, go to app info, and then you're going to clear. You're going to go where you see storage and cake. You're going to either clear the storage or clear the cake. You can also try to restart your device. You can also try to restart your device, and then you can also try to put airplane mode on and then off. That is it, and let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Mars Tech, Tech, First Tech. We sign out.